Okay guys, I've literally just got home, hence the fuzzy mess, baggy t-shirt, and I'm in my pyjamas. But also, look what has just come. I wonder what it is, but this is the moment we've all been waiting for. What? Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. They're so pretty. Oh my God. Ta-da! Oh my God, the packaging. Talk about bubble wrap. Oh, and that one needs to cut into it. Oh, that is a weighty palette. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so to get into the palette, you need to take off this sleeve. And then this is the palette. Oh my God, ready? Oh my God. Wow. Let's take the sleeve off, that might be helpful. Oh my God. I'm so excited. So that is the Urban Bible. Hello. And then the brushes also came in this little sleeve. And here they are. Can you see them? Oh my God. You need to feel it. They're so soft. Hi guys. Oh, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute, but today I've got the KeilidhMua, and I should probably take that out. I've got the KeilidhMua and SOSUbySJxKeilidh. So I got the Urban Bible palette and the Urban Rebel brush collection, and today I'm just going to sit down and have a play and enjoy myself. But I'm also going to go and try to follow, you can see this this tutorial here, so we'll see. Please ignore the voice. I've been travelling in the cold for approximately 10 hours over the past 2 days. So yeah, and welcome to my new background. This is my new uni house. Not the best, but it's alright. It'll do. But yeah, anyway, let's try and get into this because I've been dying for this. We first went in with Faith, which is this colour here. Just putting that in her inner corner.
So really pressing that in there, just packing it on and blending it at the same time. Really, and I'm just applying that to the outer corner. For this look, I want to have the inner and outer corner done first, just to give me perspective for where I want to pop each colour. Yeah, watch this eyeshadow, just watch what it does. I'm pressing it on, and it looks a deep maroon shade, and the more
I don't know what brush that is. I will try with my own. And we will go with... Okay, so I'm taking this type brush from Morphe. And she had gone into the shade Unruly here, and she's putting it on the outer edgy bit.
blend it out, the more pinky it becomes. Again, I talked about this in my last video, but this is one of my favourite eyeshadows in the palette. Due to this, it literally transforms depending on what way you apply it. So I just pack it on, then blend it out, and I'm packing it back on again just to give you more depth. As you can see, it looks like I've got 2 to 3 eyeshadows on when we only have the one.
And then she took the SK03, which is a tiny little one. And what did she do with it?
03 brush, the perfect brush for this.
She's blended. She just blended. Okay, wow. I didn't realise how much I needed a brush like this in my life until I've just used this one. Like, what the hell?
Moving on to Majesty, I'm just going to pop that
Big brush. So actually just using the same brush.
Beside the yellow. And then pop in Sacred Fire in between that to connect the orange to it.
Okay. We're going to go in with Majesty first, which is this. It looks like burnt orange, but in there it looks so bright. So I'm going to use the same SK02 because she keeps using the same brush and I don't have more than one. And we're going to pop that here. Probably now I'm thinking I've blended the orange a bit too, the yellow a bit too far up. I'm going to go on this tiny little SK04, just add a little bit more yellow. Sacred Fire is this one here. And, oh wow. and you put that there. Check me out, I'm an artist. Yeah, this side is coming out a little bit better, I think. Her blend looks nicer than mine. With the Unruly shade to deepen that up.
With the SK03 brush now, and I'm going to use this to really deepen that crease.
Again, is what it looks like. So I'm going to take my P. Louise base, and she's doing it with the SK06 brush. Do you know what I realised? I probably should have took pictures of all this stuff before I got it grubby.
Brush, and I'm just going to carve out my crease very quickly, seamlessly.
Okay, so I'm just going to carve out my... Okay, I don't like this brush. Well, I do, but just not for this. Okay, so I'm going to go into the one that I currently use, which is this just big Morphe brush.
And using Veil then just to set that whole lip.
Okay, so she's now using Veil to set it. The biggest cut crease I've ever done in my life. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take SK05, which is basically a bigger version. I don't know why she's using that really tiny one. Smoking out this area so that it matches that area. So I'm going to go in with Unruly first, and then we're going to go in with Sacred Fire, and then we're going to get a bit of that orange, but now I need a new brush for the orange. I'm going to take a smaller little brush for Majesty just so I can be a little bit more precise with it. This one, I don't know what this brush is, I've just found it somewhere and now it's in my collection. We'll just put it there. Literally the nicestly blended thing I've ever done in my life. Just deepen that a little bit. Then I'm also just gonna build these colours back. Right, I am going to do my eyeliner, my base and everything else off camera, and I will be right back for a bit of a roundup of this situation. Now I am absolutely in love with this, like I can't even get over what I created. It's just wow, wow. Right, this is what we've got so far. So I put some lashes and the liner on, but then I also blended out this area of my liner with the shade Sacrifice, which is this really dark purple here. So that lash line, and we're going to take that shade Freedom, but yeah, with Sacred Fire and Unruly on this brush. See, now I want to try something out. I want to see if I put black eyeliner on my waterline and then aura on top, what's going to happen. So let's do that, and I'm going to take my liner on my, I don't think this is called Glamours or something, and it's the 118 eyeliner brush. Got it off Beauty Bay. Flipping love this. And then I'm going to take this little 06 brush. It worked. Guys, it worked. Oh my god. I'm taking an angled brush and I'm going to take more of that Sacrifice, but I'm going to put it closer to my lashes. And I think we're done. But I need mascara and some lipstick. My hair is a hot mess. This is the finished look that we did today, and this palette is absolutely amazing. You saw the colours. This, I'll give you a little close up. So that is the palette after I've used it, and I just think they all blend really nicely. They all have enough pigment in them. They all blend really nicely. They just all look nice, and I just really love it. Yeah, I think the next time I'll probably go with the grunge side, because this is Instagram Keilidh. So we'll try and do grunge Keilidh after, but this is just a 10 out of 10 for me. I am going to be using this all the time. It's small, it's compact, it has all the colours you need, has a big mirror. This is my holy grail now. I'm going to keep this forever. These are the brushes. Messed them up a little bit. I should have probably took the pictures of them in the packaging like now, but it's fine. We've used them. I love them. I obviously didn't get a chance to use those two, so we won't talk about those. But these, I love how they feel. They kind of have a coated wood feeling, which is really nice. And then they are all so soft, and they're brushes I didn't know I needed until I've got them. And now I'm like, these are all my eye brushes, minus that one. These are all of my eye brushes, and I do not have, I say I've got this one and I've got this one, but the rest of them I do not have. And I'm like, out of all of these, why do I not have them? And now I probably use these more than I'll use those. I really hope that these can be available like singular, so instead of buying the whole collection again, you can buy them, the ones that you want. I think that's it. I'm absolutely in love with this. Like, I think the yellow and the orange weren't as pigmented as they are on her, but I'm not sure if that's because I'm brown. So like maybe like the colours like this, just they don't show up on me as much as like the pinks do here. But once obviously I put them on the white base a bit more, they did show up a lot better. And this blue is gorgeous. I mean, I'd show you some swatches, but just go and watch her video because she's got all the swatches on there. She explains them all on there. I will link it down below. But I think that's it. I do think that that is it. That is all we have time for today. I will have a vlog of my trip to Portsmouth coming up soon. This will be up first because I want this up as soon as I can so that you guys can just know about this palette, all 65 of you. Oh yeah. And then that'll be up after, probably the week after. I mean, you'll have 2 videos in the space of 2 weeks, and then I'll just disappear again for about 4 months. You know, that's how it is. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am going to be playing with this palette for the rest of my life. I am so glad this is a thing. I just love it. I just love it so much. But yeah, head over to Keilidh's channel. Check out her videos, head over to her Instagram, just follow that girl because you will be in love with her just as much as I am. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a lovely day. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!